In today's short video, we're going to talk about very hot ongoing topic. Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and some major cryptocurrency just pulled back after Elon Musk took back Tesla support for cryptocurrency transaction. What's up, guys? This is Borrow 3.88. Thanks for watching today. Elon Musk sent Bitcoin pulling back on Wednesday after he announced that Tesla would stop accepting it for car purchases, even though the company continues to hold the digital assets on its books. In his Twitter post, Elon Musk mentioned the environmental impact of Bitcoin mining, which has been discussed by many critics for being energy intensive and harmful to the climate. This move took cryptocurrency advocates by surprise and drove the price of Bitcoin after hours, with the volatile digital currency dropping over 15%. Other major cryptos followed the drop along the way, and investors moved to discount on how the loss of prominent bouncer support would impact the asset class's development. Musk said in his post that Tesla was concerned about rapidly increasing use of fossil fuel for Bitcoin mining and transaction, especially coal, which has the worst emission of any fuel. Cryptocurrency is a good idea on many levels, and we believe that it has a promising future, but this cannot come with a great cost to the environment, said by Elon Musk. This tweet came as a shock to Tesla supporters, given that the car company recently disclosed that it had just put 1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin on its book and would begin accepting it for payment. That 1.5 billion purchases disclosed in regulatory filing in February has already created a very positive impact of at least 100 million for Tesla. The move sparked an immediate craze among Bitcoin investors, and many of them have also followed Musk's embrace of Dogecoin, which is Dogecoin has just dropped by 20% on Wednesday. Alongside, both Litecoin and Ethereum have dived after Elon Musk's announcement. In recent weeks, the meme currency has skyrocketed as the billionaire just fostered its rise in the public, which however pulled back on Earth just over a weekend after Musk's controversial appearance on SNL, Saturday Night Live, where he called Dogecoin as a hustle. Still, major investors have been warned to the crypto sectors along the way its profile has been rising in the markets. Although legendary investors like Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger are not the fan yet, major investment banks have begun dipping their toes into cryptocurrency as an investment option. In fact, Shark Tank investor like Kevin O'Leary has given up his biased view of Bitcoin. The chairman of All-Share ETF has allocated 3% of his portfolio to the world's largest cryptocurrency fund in Canada and a handful of other countries which lift restriction on institutional investment of the asset. O'Leary said he now views Bitcoin as digital gold and a hedge against inflation that will appreciate over time. But he warns that there is a big problem brewing in crypto space around how and where the coins are mined. He said, "I don't own random ETFs with blood coin in them. The industry has done a poor job in lobbying its case around sustainability." In these events, Elon Musk's Bitcoin concern also think crypto-linked stocks. Stocks linked to cryptocurrencies dropped hardly in line with the slump in Bitcoin after Elon Musk tweeted concerns over its energy use. Bitcoin plunged as much as 15%, sinking to as low as 46,000 after Musk said that he was worried over the rapidly increasing use of fossil fuel for Bitcoin mining and transaction, and then suspended Tesla purchase with this asset, indicating that he might favor other cryptocurrency with much lower energy usage. Coinbase, with the ticker COIN, the stock prices dropped almost 6% in the pre-market trading hours. Digital asset technology company Marathon Digital Holding with the ticker MDMA just dropped about 13%. The same for Riot Blockchain with the ticker RIOT and MicroStrategy with the ticker MSTR. These two companies has put billions of dollars of its assets into Bitcoin and just plunged almost 10% on Wednesday, while Square with the ticker SQ also slipped. By the way, the huge risk of these stocks were already mentioned and discussed in my recent short video as well. In Asia, Monex Group Incorporation with ownership of crypto exchange Coincheck Incorporation had made it the second best performing stock in Japan in 2021, almost dropped 11% right now. Nixon Corporation last month just became the first Japanese firm to make a significant bet with 100 million purchase of the cryptocurrency slumped 14%, which is the most since August 2019. In Europe, the crypto miner Argo Blockchain slid 10%. The blockchain technology firm Online Blockchain lost 9.8%. Crypto infrastructure group Northern Data dropped over 15%. Tesla has already slumped about 30% since the company announced in February that it had invested $1.5 billion in Bitcoin and signaled an intent to accept the cryptocurrency as a form of payment. After last year's huge rally, Tesla stock has suffered from a lot of traders' expectation despite posting a record quarterly profit last month. Musk posted on his Twitter that Tesla wouldn't be selling any Bitcoin and plan to use it for transaction once mining shifted to a more sustainable energy. Musk also said that we believe it has a promising future, but this cannot come at a great cost to the environment. Okay then, this put Musk at odds with ARK investment Cathie Wood now. The US stock queen last month just reported to debunk the myth of Bitcoin mining, which has been thought bad for the environment. Cathie Wood's ARK ETF with major holding on Coinbase has got a miserable month to fail over 1.3%. In these events, many would think that Elon Musk's move is a step in the wrong direction and maybe just fooling scheme for Bitcoin bulls as well as for many stock investors betting on the digital currency. Everything comes just too soon after Tesla's disclosure in February, which added legitimacy to the cryptocurrency and which was the most visible catalyst during the year's rally in the digital currency. To this point, I know you might be wondering, is all the deterring just another exquisite and sophisticated scheme or plot to manipulate the market and fool around with all innocent investors? Right, it's quite interesting to dig and find out. However, to be honest, it's just almost impossible to see the facts behind as an innocent individual investors here. But from a 2 cents, I would think it's definitely a good chance for buying the dips along the way. As for the healthy pullback for the next bull run was also mentioned in my recent short video. As for Bitcoin, the price range between 40 to 50,000 is definitely awesome to enter a bit by a bit. As for Dogecoin, the price range between 25 to 40 cents should be quite price worthy to check in. Feel free to check in my streaming video on last Friday before Elon Musk's SNL show. I had a forecast about the big pullback of Dogecoin before it actually happened. In my short videos in the end of April, I have researched and organized some warning signs for the current bull market as well, just a few days before the recent huge pullback. In many cases, it's not hard at all to observe and find out the obvious risks as well as opportunities. We just have to be calm, patient, and mindful. Alright, please feel free to follow me on YouTube channel Borrow 3.88 to stay sober and real in the current crazy global financial market. Also, please strike the like and subscribe button with any of your comments and thoughts. We will donate to the charity recommended by you. in order to be totally transparent for your goodness. Other than trading and investment, let's always do something good to the society and the community. I'm really eager to have some more sober and real interaction and discussion with you soon. Feel free to let me know at any time. Otherwise, let's check into more until next time. See you.